Hey guys, so today I have swatches of 3 new polishes from Painted Polish. I have the 2022 Duo and then I have the newest Mystery Crelly as well. These are all available right now. I will link the Painted Polish website down below and I will get into the swatches.
So the first polish is called 2022 and this is described as a Peridot Ultra Hollow with holographic galaxy glitters. So this one has a really good smooth formula. It is a little bit sheer on that first coat, but the holographic and then those extra little holographic glitters stand out really well. So despite this being a little bit sheer on the first coat, it did cover completely for me in 2. If you have very, very white nail line, I could see you maybe needing 3 here, but the holographic is really going to distract from that. You will want a top coat to smooth out those little holographic micro glitters. You don't get a ton of texture at all. It's very minimal. And it's not enough to affect the removal. So that is 2 coats of 2022. The next polish is called Peridot Persuasion, and this is gold flakies, gold metallic glitters, and micro holographic flakies in a Peridot matte jelly base. This isn't a jelly base, so it's a little bit sheer on that first coat, but it is absolutely packed with glitter. So you do get a lot of coverage just from the glitter and the flakies that are in there. You will definitely want a thick top coat for this. You're going to have a lot of glitter, which is going to give you some texture. That glitter is also going to cause a little bit of difficulty with removal. The bigger the glitter, the more difficult it tends to be to remove. So with chunkier glitters like this, you're definitely going to want a good top coat and maybe a peel off base coat, just depending on how much work you want to put into the removal. So that is 2 coats of Peridot Persuasion. And the next polish is the Mystery Crelly. This is, I'm not going to attempt to pronounce this. It's 15 in French. How about that? This is red, blue, and gold glitter in this dusty blue Crelly base. This is a Crelly, so there's a little bit of sheerness on that first coat, but not bad. This has a really good balance of opacity in the base so that it's covering well, but you're not losing any of the glitter. This covers really well in 2 coats. There is a good amount of glitter in here, so especially after that second coat, you're going to have a lot of glitter on your nails. You will want top coat to smooth the texture out that you're going to get from that, and you will also have a little bit of a hard time removing it because glitter sticks to your nails. So that is 2 coats of Mystery Crelly 15 in French.
So I really like that Peridot Persuasion dries matte. I think that's funky and kind of cool. I don't think that's entirely necessary because matte top coat, but it is like a cool change. But overall, you know that the Mystery Crelly is going to be my favorite. I am not going to actually attempt to pronounce this. Yeah, no, I'm not going to do it. But I do really, really like this one. So real quick video, I guess. Those are the newest polishes from Painted Polish. I will link the Painted Polish website down below where you guys can check those out. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you later.